Hi. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. So, let's start, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Go to the settings option of your iPhone. After that, click on your username. And then tap on Find My option. Click on Find My iPhone and toggle to the left to off this option. It will ask you to enter your Rapid password. If you remember the password, enter that or tap on Turn Off to complete the process. But if you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password. Now it will ask you to enter your iPhone passcode. After completing this process, you can make a new password for your Rapid and tap on Next to turn off Find My iPhone option. It is mandatory to use one uppercase letter, and to make strong password, use number and special character. So this is how you can turn off your Find My iPhone. Thank you for watching.